Deciding how to manage your clinical trial can be as crucial as the trial itself. Whether you're working at a budding biotech farm or a flourishing pharmaceutical giant, this guide will help you decide the right path forward regarding operational delivery of your next clinical trial. The first option is performing the work in-house. Here, the sponsor team directs every aspect of the clinical trial during the entire project life cycle. The advantages of this option is that you've got full control over all aspects of your clinical trial. You control quality measures and adherence to timelines, all while integrating seamlessly with the organization's internal processes and systems. But the in-house option can be steep, demanding A, significant internal resources, B, capital investment on infrastructure that don't necessarily exist in your organization, and C, it's not scalable, especially when it comes to large multi-country international clinical trials. The second option is full outsourcing to a contract research organization, also known as CROs. Here, a sponsor transfers all clinical trial activities and obligations to a CRO. This option has three main advantages. The first one is that it's potentially cost-effective because the sponsor does not necessarily have to invest in infrastructure. And also, depending on geographic footprint of the CRO, this option is scalable while also benefiting the sponsor with efficiencies and speed of delivery of research projects. But there are trade-offs, especially when you adopt a full outsourcing model. The first trade-off is you've less direct control over clinical trial processes in your project. And B, you might depend on CRO's schedules and timelines, which may not necessarily align to the sponsor company's plans. And also C, it requires robust coordination to align both companies' objectives and aspirations for a given clinical trial project. The third option is the hybrid model. It's the middle ground, combining control over some aspects of clinical trial project and also CRO's specialized expertise. This model offers a balanced approach and control of clinical trial project. It helps sponsors to benefit from flexibility to scale up or scale down depending on their trial's demand. It's cost-effective because sponsors have option to select which activities or which components of the project to outsource and which ones to retain internally. The hybrid model, however, has some drawbacks. It calls for harmonious coordination and clear communication between your in-house team and that of the CRO. It's also difficult to decide what exactly to outsource and what to retain internally. And there's also the risk of a misfit of culture between your organization and that of the CRO. Regardless of your choice, consider your in-house expertise, cost implications, regulatory compliance, and need for scalability. Also, be sure to focus on quality control and selecting the right CRO partner. In the end, your strategy should align with your unique goals and capabilities. With thoughtful planning, your clinical trial could deliver the next breakthrough in healthcare. Thank you for watching and stay innovative.